So when you're searching in Podio and there is unseen or missing information for the name of the actual buyer of the property or the investor or the current owner of the property, all you need to do is, as you can see, I put in the city and the state, same city and state that you would put in if you were searching for the buyer within locate system. All right, so I have city and state, and the only thing I add in Google search is property appraiser. No matter what city and state you put in, they're gonna have a property appraiser, and and it's gonna direct you to the county's property appraiser website. However, if you put in city and state, it's gonna and put in property appraiser, just as you see on my screen, it's going to show you um, the site that you need to go to. So let's click on it. So if this was Miami, you would have Miami, Florida property appraiser. If this was Atlanta, you would have Atlanta, Georgia property appraiser. Whatever the city you're searching for, whatever the state you're searching for. I'm recording this. Yeah. Okay. So now let me click here. All right. If you notice, something pulled up. But we don't want to go to the first thing we see. We want to go to something that actually says property appraiser, like this here. So I'm clicking on that. If you notice, it pulled up here. Now, when I'm searching for a address, because as you can see right now, we with some of the PODIO leads, the owner's going to be missing, but we will have the address that they recently just purchased. So now I'm going to take the screen over to Podio 1 second because I want to search a real actual person. All right, let's see. Make sure it doesn't mess up. Okay, yes, great. It's still recording. So I'm going to go to the Podio. So, and I'm showing you this where you don't even need your laptop. You can really do this stuff from your phone. So you can be out and about and you could do this stuff from your phone. Okay, so let me find someone like this one right here. 6274 Battlegate Road. It doesn't have a name here. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so I see the home that they purchased. I see the mailing address that they have. I see that it's different. I can go to either or to probably find these people. But I'm going to go to the mailing address because the mailing address is going to show me exactly where they're receiving mail at in reference to this property. So more than likely, wherever a person receives mail at is where they will be attending consistently. So let's go here. It says 6274 Battlegate Road. So all I need to remember is 6274. And of course, I'm going to remember Battlegate so I can identify it when I see it. But the only numbers I'm going to punch in are numerical. If you punch in the actual street name or the road name, it's a chance that it could not pull up because Battlegate could be separated in COJ database or any property appraisers database, or either Battlegate could be together. But what I have learned, if you just put in the numbers, there's no way you can get it wrong. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to say 6274, and I'm going to say 32258. All right, so let's go back to the property appraiser site, and this will work for any county, any city in the United States of America. So 6274, 32258. All right, go back to here. We're gonna put in 6274 and go to zip. We're going to put in 32258. I'm going to click search. All right. Now, as you can see, Battlegate is pulled up, right? It's the second one. And as you can see, it is a revocable trust. So we're going to click on it anyway, just to double see. And boom, voila. You see all the names here. You see them. See the names. And personally, you want to copy all the names. Now I'm doing it from my phone, so if it doesn't work, then you still know what to do. But I'm going to try to copy them. Sometimes it's very funny to copy and paste within the system, because once this shows up, and it's going to copy that. So you got to, it's a little quirky. It is better to use it is 100% better to use your computer. However, we can potentially see how it just triggered that and everything just went to shit. Okay, there you go right there. Copy. Take it back to PODIO. Where's PODIO on my phone? So I'm showing you can even do this from your phone. So whoever is attending the training right now, you can do it from your phone. So now when I'm doing it from my phone, it doesn't normally allow for me to add the notes the same way. So you don't have to edit or add the notes. You just go here, click paste, and you have all the names here. And you click there, and okay. Now you see I did this, but in actuality, I should have put, that's fine for right now if you're doing it from the phone, because it doesn't show the buyer name for this. Well, hold on, let me go back. I'm wrong, I'm sorry. So you tap in here, and you go here. And if you want to, you can clean it up and get like little stuff out of there like that. You can do that from the computer if you're doing it from your phone. I just want to show you multiple ways, because eventually, I'm not going to want to go behind everyone that skipped church. And I got about 10 people skip church right now. Oh, it looked like it just kind of disappeared on me. And when you're doing it from the phone, it can't be quirky like that. However, I just at least wanted to show you. Now I gotta find where the heck is that specific address. Well, anyway, that's basically what you do. Sometimes it's definitely quirky like that. It will disappear on you. I don't want to make the video too long. Okay, here go Battle Gate right here. Let's see, what did they add? Okay, so they didn't, so that's fine. All I'm going to do is go here to add, and this time I'm going to just do it quick. I clean it up later, just so I can go ahead and save. All right, see, it's saved, and then I can come back and then clean it up. So, yeah, always try to save it first. If not, then that's what you're going to get. It can only from the app. Most of the time, it only happens from the app like that. Then I come back and I save again. So yeah, save it where it's supposed to be saved at versus how I saved it down here. But even if you save it in both or one, it's fine. However, I recommend saving the buyer name just like how it's normally done. So we're just making this video real short. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me via WhatsApp, and we can move forward.